This fisherman keeps hearing strange music at sea. Is he somehow communicating with ancient entities known as sirens? Let's take a listen.
Can you hear me? Where are you?
Let me know I'm not crazy.
In mythology, sirens are mermaid-like creatures who sing songs at sea to lure seafarers to a watery grave. This sailor in particular even goes as far as to admit he gets depressed when he doesn't hear the songs for extended periods of time. Could this be the supernatural siren song at work? Make sure to follow for more.